In New York, the number of new coronavirus cases and deaths falling over the past several days as the state now prepares to ramp up antibody testing. Governor Cuomo hoping this will pave the way for reopening the region's economy.
We're going to sample people in the state, thousands of people in the state, across the state, to find out if they had the antibodies. That will tell us, for the first time, what % of the population actually has had the coronavirus and is now, at least short-term, immune to the virus. This will be the first true snapshot of what we're really dealing with.
David Lee Miller continuing his reporting live outside Mount Sinai Hospital in Manhattan. He has the very latest for us this morning. Hey, David Lee.
Good morning, Sandra. New York Governor Andrew Cuomo says the state is now on the other side of the plateau. He says hospital admissions are now down, intubations are down. The state recorded the lowest daily death rate in just over 2 weeks. Even so, another 507 New Yorkers died from the virus. Again, this is a case of less bad news. There are also signs the rate of the infection is slowing in nearby Connecticut and New Jersey. They are among 7 Northeast states that have now finalized appointments to a regional council to focus on restarting the economy. New York State has started antibody testing to find out who had the disease. 3,000 people will be randomly screened at grocery stores across the state. The test involves taking a finger stick blood sample. The test will determine the percentage of people who recovered and can return to work. The governor says such testing is crucial to an economic recovery.
Any plan that is going to start to reopen the economy has to be based on data, and that means it has to be based on testing. And this is a new world for all of us.
Starting this evening at 8 p.m., Connecticut joins New York in requiring anyone who can social distance to wear a face covering. And over the weekend in Brooklyn, police issued some 60 summonses of what was called an anti-lockdown party. Fines for violating social distancing can be as much as $1,000. And lastly, Governor Cuomo says he is going to sign an executive order that will allow town and city clerks to perform wedding ceremonies via video conferencing. Many wedding bureaus are closed across the state, and many couples were left with no way to tie the knot. The next challenge, I guess, Sandra, will be that virtual honeymoon. Back to you.
Yeah, people are getting creative, obviously. David Lee Miller, thank you.